Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, and Victor say Edo State na our own. Make we join the government dey clean am. He say only government no fit do am alone. Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear the message wey bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, my people, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location. Now for the connect with all this evening. We thank Baba God for the wonderful things we in that they do for our life, because not only one they put road for where road no day, and not only one they talk word when they reach. Talk am as it being at the broadcast of truth. We go continue to the talk am as it they be. A dog go say, Giata we no year na make we talk am as it they be. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. My brother Victor in there with me for studio this evening. I don't know whether I don't change the name or make it introduce himself.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Depending on where we want to take the connect with us again live on today's edition of Talkam ACB. We give God all the praise for the privilege when He gave us to see another bright new day. My name is Victor Olise.
Yeah, my people, we thank God for what they do for our life. I pray for now the people where God don't assign to do now good, may problem go far from them.
Amen.
And anybody who want give them a problem, they will use their head to carry them. Anybody will talk so now water no go boil, them no go see I put their on fire.
Amen.
And anybody will talk so now yam no go done, they no go fit cook their own.
Yes,
we thank God and so they be. My people, we know to waste time this evening. We want to come out for this matter again. Say Edo na our own. Edo na our own simply means say everybody will contribute our own quota to see say Edo of our dream manifest in one way or the other on a positive light, not negative, on a positive light. Edo na our own, we say we will need to really join hands together to make Edo great. Now you see say rain fall now, you just see massive flood everywhere, and everybody complain flood. Governor, Obaseki, if they're going to call our name. But we will need to ask ourselves, what is the root of the problem? Something led to that erosion. What leads to this erosion for Benin, for Edo, for Nigeria, for Lagos, for other parts of the country? But with the focus on Edo, why we dey experience a lot of erosion for our state today? Number one, wetin dey cause am be say drainage system we don block am. Our people don't carry dirty wey dey throway gather for inside house. Once rain dey fall, they go throw am for inside water, and erosion now go come carry am. It will go block drainage, and as e block am, the water now must find a way. Now just check the way Benin be now. Once rain fall, the next you go see pure water rubber. You go see pure water rubber full everywhere. All this dirty, now they cause drainage, now they cause erosion. Why? Because all the waterway where water supposed to pass, we don't block all. We don't build house for where we're not supposed to build house, and moats for Benin, we don't cover them. So this evening, we will enlighten ourselves, because we get a lot of role to play as citizens. Go our market today, you see people go carry dirty, throw away for inside rain. As rain dey fall, they throw the people for inside rain. And erosion now go carry this dirty now. They'll go and take block gutter. Before you know now, water must find a level. As the thing they be now, we say all of us we go need to join together to make Edo great. Edo of our dream is a collective effort. Everybody, Edo where Obona Yawan, which simply means if this hand wash this hand, that hand go clean. Well, make I leave hand over give my brother this evening.
All right. Good evening, everybody. This topic will carry come this evening. That topic will demand each and every one of us to understand wetin dey make society grow. Over time, most of us would always reason say na government na im dey responsible for everything when they make society grow. No. On one aspect, we dey very right, and on the other hand, we dey very wrong. Why? Because of say, as the people and as a nation, una go bear me witness say we dey practice democracy. And if we understand what democracy is all about, we go know say democracy na the system of government when provide the people and also give the people opportunity to have power. But we by ourselves as citizens, They very glaring. Say we hand over power, give government. Government supposed to be the servant when we elect in. But we the people, because we don't understand the true definition of democracy, and we don't understand what democracy actually stands for. So automatically we transfer the power when belong to the people, we carry and give the government. This evening we'll try and narrow down everything down to environmental. How you be say the Edo landscape look like, how you be say our environment look like, how our markets actually be, how our schools, how it be, how our hospitals, how it be. This not because of say, it gets some hospitals when you go enter. If you enter those hospitals, to be honest, you know if you eat for there, which you're not supposed to be. Me, I study agriculture, and I go for one professional course, and I didn't very surprised when they list one of the most neatest animal for the livestock sphere, and I did very shocked when they say pig. Now one of the most neatest animal, and I say, what do you mean by that? That's not possible. But when they carry us waka, enter where some pig farms dey, to be honest, me by myself, I can't agree say not true. Why? Because of the system when they practice for their own pig farm. But if you can't come Nigeria, if you see our pig farm, then that means say you know go even fit enter. They not talk about say you won't eat for there. So what am I trying to say? I am saying that if the right thing is done rightly, we go realize that we will get environment, sane environment, where we say people feel they think well. If we drag our entire market now, for example, you see how people go just gather dirty, put inside sack, and then they wait, make rain fall. As rain starts, they want to just go through inside the drainage. You'll see some houses, they will open their eyes, they will connect their sock away from their toilet, enter inside drainage. The one where even they surprise me, eateries, fast food. For this Edo State, fast food. If you drive past the front of any fast food, you know if it stands for there in 2 minutes, because they pass their waste from their fast food to inside the drainage, and the smell, to be honest, the smell, they're very choking. All these now things when we say we by ourselves, we're supposed to talk to ourselves as indigenous of this state. Why? Because I enter I don't go Calabar. I enter Calabar, I look say Nigeria with this, so because it gets some things when I see for Calabar, it be like say I dey abroad. I must just tell you the truth. It gets some things when I see for Calabar, it be like say I dey abroad. Because of the way that they program their system. For example, their waste, you will see say they line up their waste for road. As the environmental guys they come, they pick up the waste, they carry and they go from there. And I witnessed something. I be say one of the people when we come up for Benin together go there, come mistakenly throw away nylon from motor.
No, wahala don't ball.
They almost fight out. Now we beg them. I can't look say no me Nigeria I dey so now. Nigeria I dey so now. That to say Calabar don't automatically they grow that culture. They grow that culture. So this na say the Edo people too must understand that for us to have that kind of environment, when we say no, as you drive they come, as you work out they come, you look say no. Okay, make I ask another question. How about all the flowers when they say they plant for airport road?
It don't down when they take the
You
plant.
know they again.
You dirty come everywhere.
The flowers when the last administration spent millions of naira.
You don't die.
That flower no day again. This is why we say this evening we must drag ourselves enter inside environmental matter to say for us to keep this state clean, then each citizens, each indigene of this state must realize say Edo na our own.
God bless you, my brother. You just open another chapter. If you see the way our people, they go they drive, they go they chop chin, they go throw away the cellophane from glass of throw for road. They go they eat banana at the peel, they go throw away for road. Who buy like Asara, as you drink finish, you go open her, you go throw away from window, you go throw away for road. Anything where they chop, they go, who they eat and grow. This cellophane, it go throw am for road. When we go wake up for a dough, for us to begin to maintain good clean environment, the truth be say, all of us they form oga. For Calabar, as the governor passed law, everybody follow suit. So we want use the opportunity to tell the waste management board, time don't reach for the state government to enact better law to checkmate the activities of our indiscriminate dumping of refuge. Just go New Benin, go just see everywhere. They litter up everywhere. Where all these waste management board? Apart from this waste management board, we the citizen, we get big role to play. We are too dirty. That is just the truth. And though we are too dirty. More you talk about in the me. We are too dirty. In fact, anything you throw it dirty everywhere. Oh my camera. Even now, not maintain the sweep here, then one sweep outside. Now, not sweep compound, then one sweep road. You see some people where they for they said the gutter for their front, the grass don't cover gutter. For them to able sweep the gutter clear and a problem. So make we they tell ourselves the truth, making a dough great now. Everybody handwork. And if we need a clean and a hygienic safer environment, we must all join hands together to make a dough great. Because all this indiscriminate dumping of refuse, dirty everywhere, it's too much. And we're going to shout, government. Now we be the government. We only have a man we elected. Now, if we have a man that we have been elected, what about the people? What about the people? So the people have a great role to play. If I the truth that we are too dirty. We are too dirty.
Okay, someone just said something. God's time, Ikman. So before people can learn how to take care of the environment have to be clean first. Like seriously?
Do you mean you need to clean? So you don't clean your house?
Okay. No, sir. I think if you're a sir or a mark, I think it should be a male. The first thing that should be done, then we do so. We need to educate ourselves. For the environment to be clean first, that means say me and you must stop to the throw dirty outside.
Bing! You don't talk and finish.
It's as simple as
you
that.
know she one educated woman when they drive one day. When she threw it dirty. You drive for road.
I should throw it dirty for road. Now I say I'm supposed to drive Richard. As I'm supposed to drive Richard. Now I whine and I say, ma, why did she not throw it?
It's not concerned her.
And if you look that woman,
Educated woman.
very educated.
Maybe not prof.
To be honest. And quote me anywhere. Ask anybody, if you know the Nigeria, ask anybody. On a daily basis, we encounter this. On a daily basis.
Every day.
So for the environment to be clean, me and you must stop to the throw away dirty
for road.
That's the truth. So that means say, as you take no, so me too can't take no. I can't say, okay, if I won't practice this culture, automatically the way our environment go take dirty go reduce to its barest minimum.
Well. Even some people even get house, they give up to tenants. Even some tenants even can't even key house because landlord not there. They no go clear, they no go sweep, grass go they grow, they can't even grow reach door, mouth. So the snake, because they follow in the sleep house, cockroach, everything. They come say, they come by the snake. Oh, why snake not go follow you stay house? When it be say, even the house where you rent, you no go clear, you no go sweep, you no go do anything. But the truth be this, do our own, and everybody get individual role, and we must join hands together to take play our role, to make our environment clean and safer for everybody. And we'll continue to talk about it be. While rain fall and erosion full everywhere. Not be saying, see, the government, now we be the government. Now we they break the law. But time don't for government to enact a great law. I tell Victor today, I say, one day I will become commissioner in this state. People will see, they will collect, they will see fire. Because the law of this way will feed to contain the essences of our people. Not be people they Calabar. Now spirit they Calabar. The people they Calabar, they come from abroad. No, not just law. And everybody begin to now one person go start out. Go say, this even the citizen and they put the beach who they throw the chief for road. So with me, everybody, we must all join together. All this matter, my papa big brother and my sister brother, make we stop her. make we join together to make Edo great. Once rain fall now, everywhere don't block, erosion. Now we cause and now we build house for road, now we build and now we go cover gutter, now we go build house for moats. So I don't know.
So it is very, very simple for us to understand where we dey drive, they go this evening. And this is not because of say we don't get so many experience for inside those states as we speak. So with the rainy season, and as we speak right now, because rain fall yesterday, for example, we know how many people when usually like take waka go house because rain fall. Yes, the hold up was something else. Hundreds of people dey waka dey go house, no bus to carry people to their destination. Before you know, the few bus when dey outside, the amount when they call from year to year, where they carry 100 naira before,
They carry
become 250, 300.
Greed.
And if you know fit trek, that means arrange see the drills. What are we now saying? How about if we get road when we say the road dey well motorable, even inside say rain dey fall? I get one friend, he just tell me, he say anywhere I dey, as far as I dey Edo State, and rain wan fall, he say I will never drive out. He say because if I drive out, I know say a journey of 30 minutes, I go spend hours for road. And as such, he don't any tell himself say anywhere he dey for Benin, and rain wan fall, he no go drive out. Alright, someone like, okay, God's time, but bros, if for example I eat banana finish, I look left, right, there is no dustbin trash to dump am, what can I do? Very simple. God go bless you for this question. Yes, to a very large extent, this question, I know say this question when you ask, so no be because say na you don't know the right thing to do, but because of some people na you take ask this question. So man no like give you yesterday, I eat corn. As I eat corn finish, I look right, I look left, where I will put am, nowhere to put am, no see any nearest dustbin. No see I do, my bag, the corn stick, I open my bag, I put am inside my bag and I zip am. To be honest, several times if I dey drink water, say I dey drink can water, I can't drink and finish, I no see any nearby waste bin wey I fit put am. That can, e go follow me reach house till I go drop am inside my waste bin. To be honest, so we no get excuse to say okay fine because I no see. And you know this example wey you give, so e dey very risky. You say banana, and you know wetin banana fit do for road. If you throw am for express now, motor come match brake or stop, wetin go happen?
Accident now, wahala.
Accident o. That's the truth. That's the truth. No be Johnny, me and Apostle dey one day we dey travel. God say make we wind up. The trailer when dey our front, e just spit the driver. As the driver spit,
No be here.
you see the side glass, you see the big spit. For our own car, when we dey drive the car for a back, big, as in e be like say na five
person will
people.
get TB.
E be like say na 5 people gather spit the spit. You understand? I no fit look at Apostle abeg park. As Apostle park, na him come down. I use water take wash am. Very big plate. Plenty heavy
Our
spit.
people dirty sha.
One person spit. So imagine say we no wind up.
My body for enter my body now.
Jesus.
Kai.
Apostle, I don't know wetin for take wash your body that day.
Maybe I for go look for the nearest river enter.
Yes.
But
So
it's not funny.
that's cleanliness. You understand? That's cleanliness. Why you do that? So all this na the education. All this na the education we need to dey give ourselves. No be say most of us no get access to this information. Most of us know this thing. We know say you no dey right. You dey eat, dey go for road, and the next thing you just throw away and put for ground. You no know that driver when dey drive come for your back. You understand? Automatically you come eat banana, come throw the banana for road. You come match the banana. Wetin go happen?
Yeah, FA. I like what you talk of. Kids in advanced world know what.
You can imagine.
For here, no you go there. Parents wey no know wetin dem call garbage. Now one contact children. So this thing needs serious education. That's why we really need to sensitize ourselves. If you go some area, you go shock. You go shock. The way our people now consciously with this so now. People don't they carry corn now. Corn they throw away for erosion. People don't they throw away corn now for erosion. I beg. Respect to my brother.
Augusta say, bros, here in Europe, all these things are taught in kindergarten. When I no verse for us, they teach us too, but they don't teach us finish.
They don't teach us finish.
And I understand. We no fit condemn our own education system.
They teach us small.
They teach us small.
They don't teach us finish.
But it just be say, no culture, no sustaining, no. I dey try find how they put am where. No sustainability.
Nothing.
No sustainability model when go ensure say this culture no break. Like for example, as I did so. As I no fit sit down for public transport or public bus, me I can't eat.
It's not possible.
That's for me. Oh. It's not bad though. I'm not saying it's bad. But for me, some people will say wetin dey do am, e dey form. You can call it form, but it's my principle. I no fit sit down, I no fit enter inside bus now, tuke. I'll come dey tuke, I'll come buy something, I'll come dey eat. I cannot do that. So automatically, I no fit throw away dirty for road. Why? Because as part of my principle, I no fit eat for inside public transport. So some people will say I dey form, you are right, but it's my principle. And it has worked for me. You get the point? Why? Because me know say to eat inside public bus is not the best place for me to eat. To buy anything to the chill, no, I cannot do that. So we no fit say they never teach us. They don't teach us.
They don't teach
Even
us.
for our homes, they don't teach us.
They don't teach us.
But because of say the system,
sustain the system.
to sustain them,
You know they.
you know they.
You know they. My brother Victor, now God will bless you. Now God will bless you. My people, this one is serious matter. When it be say everybody need to look inward, because a clean environment call for good harvest of good health. See all the nyama sickness they full everywhere. When they talk about Lassa fever, when they talk about sickness, all these things they come from dirty.
Especially malaria.
Malaria, it they come from dirty.
Malaria.
All those baby mosquito, you go bite you. It they come as a result of dirty environment. So my people, we need. You get one man car when I enter one day. Hey, God have mercy. The car as I enter, bro. If you see dirty for inside motor, dirty, the dashboard, pigeonhole, everywhere. I can't even pray when I snake when we did inside this motor, maybe they don't come by the person. As the man just jump in, I come down. Now my idea, when the man they pass, maybe I was saying I don't go. You are because of dirty. Imagine person in motor be like dustbin. Our house go be. Our house go be. So make we dey talk am as we dey be. So I beg, make una try to see how we fit make Edo beautiful again. Government no go fit dey everywhere. Now we be government. Make we begin to maintain our area. Make we dey clear. You see some people that go on borehole. The way people no see na they get borehole. Water e go just full road. When they on borehole, water go full road. Why? Because they don't pay better NEPA bill. If they really pay better NEPA bill, I'm not sure they go on their borehole down. Make water they flow enter street. If you go some area, because you know they get borehole, erosion full everywhere. Because by the time they on water go full everywhere and road go spoil. And you know say government of you call your area one day. Why? Because you get your own role, I get my own role. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Make we begin to see how we fit contribute our own quarter. Look our area. Some people know they clear their area. Some people they call themselves big men. Front of their house, erosion go there for 1 year. They know if you put one trip of sand. They know if you put one trip of sand. They go they wait for governor to put sand for front of their house. What I don't understand. So you see say that road where they pass front of the house. Big gutter don't they? Instead of just okay, make I still contribute my own quarter to take fish and they don't fish and they'll say make government go do one. Making Edo great. Everybody we must join together to make Edo great. Edo state now our own, and we must play our part to ensure we maintain a good and a clean environment. Una well done.
Yeah, so It is very, very simple for us to understand where would the drive go this evening. A major point now to ensure, say, in collectivism, if we achieve a whole lot. Why? Because of, say, time don't pass where we say we're going to depend on government. No. We cannot depend on government. Why? Because we know, say now we be the government. And as such, we must take the lead. When we start this broadcast this evening, I talk something. I say we the people, we hand over power, give government. Now it make government do us anyhow.
And
Why? Because we hand over power, give government. Not until we the people realize that we be the government. We own government. That means that before government go fit do anything, government will need to come consult the people. Why? Because we don't make them very clear. Say now we be the government. And this is why we say this evening in the aspect of environment. This now because say we dey rainy season now and waiting with the sea with our eyes. It demand our attention. We need to pay attention, proper attention to. This is why we say this evening we must talk about our environment, such that we can keep our environment clean. I beg, if you know say you enter motor, you buy something, you chop. If you chop and finish, I beg, squeeze down, put her inside nylon, hold down. I bet you as you dey waka dey go for road, you go see one waste bin, put her inside.
That's so.
To be honest, as you waka dey go, you go see one waste bin, put am inside. If you no see any, hold down.
I tell you one thing, bro. God bless you. Okay. Do you know something about people? Because that always been a sheep for road, they go park the dirty for their own house. From experience. So the dirty was oh God, our people we are too much. Make we at the 1 minute. Hello, good evening. Good evening. We are on live broadcast, sir. Okay, I better talk to Rob. Well done, sir.
My name is Mr. Friday from Holland.
Okay, sir.
So it has been a long time I didn't call you.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm very carried away with the program you are doing now.
Okay, sir.
My brother, it is not a thing to tell somebody to clean his mouth when he eats. It is very, very painful to see that people will not take health sanitation as a tool of health to their life. You don't need government to start pursuing people before you clean your environment. Let me give you an instance. When I came in Nigeria in 2019, there was a plot of land close to me. That land was a bush. Sometimes snake come out of that area. Sometimes you see the dangerous evil rabbits, you see them in the area. I found out that thing is not good for the people living in my house. So I called some people and said I call it a job to clear that land. You believe me, Mr. Apostle, that for past 2 to 3 years they never cleared that land.
Jehovah.
So I asked them to clear that land. I paid them. I think that time I paid them about 25,000 to clear that land. Because of I mean 100 by 100 land. Immediately they started clearing that land. Somebody in my area called the owner of the land and said somebody is taking over your land. So before they were finished, I saw a man with the wife. They start shouting. I was inside the room. When I came out, they said they are the owner of the land. Who asked you people to play? Then the people were telling them the labor asked them to play. The woman started shouting. I said, woman, why are you shouting? You don't live here. I know what I'm going through here. I said, let me tell you, I have bought the land from somebody else. They said, no, we are going to court. We are going to court. We are going to court. I said, no. You have no court to go. How can you leave me inside the bush like this? When you go and choose the environment.
Yeah.
So I said, before I will leave this land for you again, you have to pay me my 25,000 that I paid to these people.
Not so.
He said, yeah, I don't have money. I said, look, I'm not interested in your money. I'm not interested really. I'm interested in the security, the environment. That is why I decided to tell them to clean that area. Why am I saying to clean? How would somebody moving on the road inside a car, maybe 1 or 2 two person in a car, you have the whole back of your seat to put anything you eat. You keep in this place here. When you are going with a dog outside, you must have a cellophane in your bag. You must have a tissue paper in your bag. If the dog have to excrete on the road and you don't pick it, the next person coming after you will call you and say your dog have shit. You must pick it up. Not to talk of somebody is carrying this wastage from the house and dropped in the drainage. You see, we get government day and night. Then sometimes we need to think about ourselves alone.
Yes, sir.
Before thinking of the government.
Yes, sir.
We are really, I don't want to use some languages for our people. We are good people. The type of thing you are saying now may be able to tell the people that this is what to do.
Yes, sir.
And the only thing the government needs to do, like they are doing now, is to let the people know that the governor of the state is not coming to Sogoro to live.
Yes, sir.
It's not going to want to live.
Yeah.
Then keep your environment clean. So let me not take much of your time, my brother. You are really doing a wonderful thing, and I'm seeing a lot of things you are doing.
Thank you, sir.
God will continue to bless you and my brother Victor.
Amen.
Continue with it. Continue with what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
God will reward you guys.
Amen.
Abundantly.
Amen.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Apostle, good night, eh?
Well, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Well, my people, my Ogado talk and finish. Make we learn to maintain our environment. We will continue this broadcast tomorrow by the grace of God, because we will need to start this enlightenment campaign to clean up our environment. By the grace of God, with God on our side, we will bring out some evidence, some facts, make una dey share so that they go make more sense. If some language they don't turn to dustbin, we'll go video them. So I make una dey see, say this thing is not good. If you not maintain your area, they go to know comes to your area, you know they come. You know go come. So una do well. We appreciate all of una. Both my guy when they call this evening, thank you very much, sir. We appreciate you for the wonderful contribution. Talkam as it be, we'll continue to the Talkam as it be.
Thank you for joining us again on today's edition of Talkam as it be. Don't forget, say we love all of una, we respect una, and we honor una. Una do well. Thank you.
Thank you.
And God bless you.
Good night.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.